Oh my god, my headphone fell out of my ear again. Nice preset, cool map. Thank you. Okay. Hiccups. Oh my god, no way. Don't look at me, chat. I love that for you. Oh no. F. Oh no. Oh my god, please help me. Nutty, I don't have my headphones on, bro. Oh my god, I have hiccups. GG's. GG's. Oh my god, please help me. I don't have my headphones on, but scaring me might actually help. I was trying to scare you. I'll put my headphones back on. I'm so sorry, Nutty. Thanks for the bits. Oh no. Please, please help me. Yeah, chat, go watch the YouTube video. If you guys want to watch it after stream, I would really appreciate it. There. Oh my god. Please help me. Oh no. Hold your breath and swallow. Oh my god. I'm trying. It doesn't work. No problem, no problem. Oh my god, please.
Thank you so
Suki, thank you so much for 8 months. I appreciate it, Suki. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh god. Yeah, I'll be signing my profiles tonight. Thank you for redeeming it. I'll be oh my. All right, GG's chat. I'm done. GG's. Anyone else's audio glitching? Oh no. Oh, I threw. Ah! Shutting up, chat. What happened to the seat wheels? Too many people complain. Nice, let's go. I think the bots stand for coin flips. Suki, thank you for the 8 months. Once again, I appreciate it. Thank you for a resub. Welcome back. Oh, my bad. Oh my god, these fucking hiccups. Oh no. Overtime. Oh, is that just in? Oh, fuck yeah. Great pass. Nice. Good shit. Have an OT, it's just gone. That's it. That's it, that's it. Winning hoops does feel so good. Like the only time I grind hoops is probably if I grind it with someone. Holy hiccups. Everything coin flip. The timeout coin flips are the bots broken. Is the only problem. It is so hard to score. I yawned? No, I didn't yawn. I didn't yawn. I hiccuped. Now I don't even want to look at this hoops map. I only want to be on the new map. Nice. You're broken. Yep. I don't think that was a yawn. Oh my Jesus Christ. Yeah, I didn't know you could still get the old map. Oh, nice. Oh. One of the mods needs to rewind our voice box. Yep. They stole it from me. I've drank water. I feel like the last time I actually competitively played hoops was the Intel Creator Challenge. Right? Is that what it was? I think it was. Oh, I cannot get that. More water? Listen. Top of the morning, Fred. How you doing? Oh, man. Why do I know the name BLT no bacon? Oh, the knock knock sound was so quiet. Wait, on your end? Oh my god. Don't mind me hiccuping. On your end? Alright, I'll raise it up. I'll see what setting it's on. Like, was it so quiet? Do you hear it over the music at all? Baba Booey. Baba Booey could be louder. Baba Booey could be louder. Oh my god. Yeah, that was too quiet. Yeah, the Baba Booey. The Baba Booey was too quiet. Nice. Alright. Let me raise them. Let me raise them. Use the stream on Twitch. Oh, that's why. I was gonna say the name sounded familiar. Let me configure this. Knock knock needs to go louder. My alerts. Door Creek needs to go. Wait, why is the volume at 100? Why is Door Creek volume at 100? That's so weird. Oh, sorry, my bad. Oh my god, I just dunked it back. And then he said Baba Booey. Baba Booey's always also at 100. What the fuck? That's so weird. It says they're both at 100. So weird. Okay, I'll just add better sound alerts. See if there's a Baba. Oh, see if there's a Baba Booey that's like louder than that one. Or the Door Creek that's better. Thank you for the bits, Nutty. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. No trading in chat, please. Turtles! Thank you so much for the bits. Wait, why did I not hear it? Are they all... Wait. Are they just not working now? Hold on. Are they just not working now? I'm confused now. Because those weren't quiet before. But I feel like I heard like the Taco Bell jump scare pretty loud. So are those ones just broken or all the alerts are broken? I'm confused. Not what to save. Just quiet? Oh, letters are super quiet. Huh? Oh no. Okay. Let me raise my system sound. I raised my system sound. Your mother, holy fuck. I just raised it up too. I just raised it up. Holy fucking shit. Too quiet. Are the hiccups gone? Are the hiccups gone? What, testing? 1, 2, 3. Are the hiccups gone? Testing. Hello, any hiccupers? Oh, sorry, hiccups. Never mind. It's not gone. Naughty, thanks for the 1,250 bits. I appreciate it. Oh my god, the hiccups aren't gone. Y'all trolled me. Y'all trolled me. They're not gone. They're not gone. They're not gone. We love Taco Bell alert. My freaking ear. My ears, man. I wonder if TG enjoyed that Taco Bell noise. Definitely not. Definitely not. Chat, by the way, if you just joined a brand new YouTube video out, if you want to go check it out. Oh no, why you gotta put me under the... Why you gotta put me under that? Why you gotta do that to me? BLT no bacon, thanks for the follow. TG really did it to me like that. I see how it is. Whips keeps choosing me. You're telling me. I said 2.